Namaste all of you. This is the superstructure load test drawing. Superstructure load test carried out at project 4 laning Kodinar Verawal section NH8E. We are the Isan Corporation JV with Geo Design and Research Private Limited. For superstructure load test, required asset for superstructure load test: dial gauge, total station, LVDT props with a digital indicator. We are carry out this superstructure load test by LVDT props with the digital indicator. Here is the digital indicator for the deflection reading, and at the bottom of the girder we provide LVDT props. After all set, start the deflection reading of temperature variation at the interval of every 2 hours. Here is the table. Mention the reading of temperature and deflection each 2 hours up to 24 hours. Then start the loading as per the table. First stage loading up to fifth stage loading by the interval of 2 hours. Check the deflection and temperature, same interval of 2 hours. In the loading, as per the drawing, and meteorology, the sequence should be provided in the drawing. After the full load applied, check the deflection and the temperature at the interval of every 2 hours up to 24 hours. Then the load is then removed in stages in reverse order of loading every 2 hours. As per the notes number 9. When complete imposed load is removed from the deck slab, check the deflection reading and the temperature at the interval of every 2 hours up to 24 hours for the recovery of the structure. As per the notes 10. This is a general description about the superstructure load test. Here I will show you. Setup for the deflection reading. This is temperature reading setup. Every 2 hours up to 24 hours without load. Block both ends for no traffic movement during the load test of temperature reading. First load apply. after 24 hours of temperature reading. Second stage, loading work in progress after 2 hours of first stage loading. Final load, 100% load applied. Removing load in reverse order at every 2 hours after 24 hours of full loading.